fix the buzzing sound or any Windows 11 or 10 in your laptop. Okay, so the first thing you guys need to do is actually to understand is that the buzzing sound doesn't always come from the laptop itself. A lot of people immediately start messing with the Windows settings and drivers without realizing actually that the problem is external. So before changing anything, test something simple. Try another headset, another sound box. Okay, use a different cable. Use a 3.5 mm cable. Okay, connect to a different speaker. And if you are using an adapter, try without it. Okay, sometimes the connector has a bad contact. Sometimes the headphone wire is broken internally and you don't notice. This is extremely common. Now if the noise is still there, then we start adjusting the Windows. So the first setting that fixes the problem for a lot of users is disabling audio enhancements. So Windows has several effects and optimizations that depending on the drive can create noise. So to do this, right click on the sign icon. So to go to sound settings, you can click here on go to this. Here on the sound settings, actually you are going on control panel, because in the Windows 11 is a little bit strange something. So you can, when you go on the Windows 11 and you click in small category here on small icons, and it will come in a category. So if you go on small icons, it will show a lot more options and will bring the interface of the Windows 10 that is easier to mess and to do it. So it's a little bit different from clicking right here and go to some settings and you have these options that is a little bit confused. So right here guys, what we are going to do is click on your speaker or your headphone, click with the right button, go on actually when it's device, the default device, click the right button, go on properties right here and go on level. You can see if the sound is 100, you can click here on balance and go if it's coming 100% at the left and the right and the center. Okay, some microphones, some headsets actually doesn't have the center. You can go and enhancements, and here is the problem. Probably you have something marked. Okay, it can be the loudness equalizations that it uses understanding of human hearing to reduce perceived volume differences. You can have the headphone virtualizations that uses advanced processing to create the illusion of a home theater while using the stereo headphones. And you can have the bass boost activated that boosts the lowest frequencies that can be played by the device. You can go here on disable all enhancements and go on apply. Some of those options can be causing some problem. Okay, so just disable all enhancements, click apply and OK. Okay, before click OK, go on advanced right here, and actually you can new mark that option, give exclusive mode applications priority. Okay, and you can take it off that one, allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Why I'm telling you that? Sometimes you are using Discord and you are using something to talk with your friends, and suddenly your microphone gets low or your headphones gets low. It's because some of all the program that is open in your computer got access to your headset or your microphone and put it slow itself, because that option here allow applications to take control. Okay, so you can take it off, click apply and OK, and that part right here, that method right here, it's done. And if that didn't fix it guys, the next step is updating your audio driver. So to update it, you can press Windows plus X and open the device manager right here. You can expand, and here we are going to look for the sound, video and game control. So right here we are going Some drives install things like virtual audio and or high definition audio digital outputs and something similar. For me, there is the high definition audio device. Okay, and when Windows automatically selects one of those, you can get built-in echo or metallic sound. So you can go again on control panel right here, go on sound, see which one is actually selected. For me, it's a high definition audio device right here. So you go back, high definition audio device, click the right button and go on update drive. Go on search automatically for drivers, and for me it's already installed, the best drive for me. Okay, but for you it cannot, so try that and see if it fixes. Next point, and almost nobody talks about it, and it's the power settings. Yes, the power affects audio, and on laptops, when the system reduces power consumption, it also reduces the energy available for the sound card. That can cause electro interference. So open the control panel. Actually, you can go directly to the okay, energy edit power plan. Okay, here we are going to click on change advanced power settings. Here in this option, you are going to click right here, and you're gonna have three options: balance, high performance, and power saving. You can go on high performance, click OK, you can close it. The next steps is still the energy, the power energy. So you are going here on the File Explorer, click on this PC right here, click with the right button, go on properties, and you can go or properties, you're going here on advanced system settings. The next step is still power plan. The next step is still power energy. So you can go here on Windows, you can go and type energy. The next step is still power energy. So you can go here on control panel. Again, let's go here on category and go on small icons and click here and power options right here. When you click in power options, you're gonna have the same options that before: balance, high performance, power save. You can go here on high performance, okay, and it's done. If the audio hardware stops receiving limited power, and in many cases the buzzing sound simply disappear. Since we are talking about power, there's something else, guys. Unplug the charge. Seriously, disconnect the charging cable and test the audio on battery only. If the buzzing sound stops, the problem is electro interference coming from the charger, and this is a very common. And if the outlet isn't grounded, and if you're using a non-original charger, so the solution is to use a grounded outlet and or replace the charger with a better quality one. Another important detail: the microphone. Some laptops start producing static noise because the microphone is picking up internal noise. So especially when the microphone boost or record enhancements are enabled. Okay, so it's the same process, guys. You're gonna go on here on audio, go on sound settings, we are going here on more advanced settings to open the Windows 10 interface. You can go here in recordings and go on the default device, click the right button, go on properties, go here on list and check if those options are marked, and that is not much important. Go here on advanced, and again click that and that to mark, click apply and OK. If this option right here on the recording, okay, has the same options, has the advanced or something enhancements, just like this headset right here, enhancements, okay, you're gonna have to disable all enhancements just as the speaker. Okay, so following those steps, guys, in most cases the buzzing sound goes away completely. But if nothing works, leave a comment with your laptop model, the type of noise it makes, and when it happens, whether it's only in your headphones or only charging, only in videos or system wide. The way I can help you something more specific. If this video helped you, please leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.